That ain't gonna cut it. It's time to get louder. We are up here. We're on a side mission first before we get to that. I know we started the video saying we're gonna make that thing loud today. We're on a side mission first. I need to go ahead and take the drift car out. Gotta go bring it to a body shop or two for a quote, see if they could pull my rocker panel out because, well, the lighting's not great, but it looks like that. Obviously the door we don't care about, we care about the rocker. Door, we got one of those. So, anyways, that's how we're gonna start this video. Welcome back, everybody. Hope everything is going well. Had a good week. Yeah, let's get to it. Take this thing out and about, get some quotes before we go ahead and make the M3 loud again. Alright, well, we're back. Went to 5 shops. 3 of them said no, I want nothing to do with it. 2 of them gave me quotes in definitely into the 4-figure range. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm tempted to chassis swap it, right? Put it in a new coupe. But then if we do that, the problem becomes we have to wrap a new car. I'm gonna have to get new front and rear bumpers. I don't think coupe and sedans are the same even for the HM kit. We'll have to do chassis reinforcements again. It's just not ideal. It's a lot of work. There is a lot of work that would go into chassis swapping this car. But, I mean, it's not good. The one body shop just taped this up so I don't get any water in here, at least. That was nice of them. But it's definitely pushed up and in. It's hard to see due to the lighting, but it definitely goes up in. This thing's twisted out. So, I don't know. I've got some thinking to do what I want to do about that. I might just say screw it and I try to mess around with it a little bit and whatever happens, happens kind of thing. And if I can't fix it, then just chassis swap it. So, we'll see. Either way, oh, I'm getting a phone call. Either way, it's time to get the M3 in the garage. And let's get the other exhaust in this thing. It's time to get it loud again.
Yeah, I don't know how many.
It's time to get going. Got everything we need set and settled here. You don't really need much, pretty easy. I've been doing this exhaust change now for a long time. I honestly don't know if we've ever documented on the channel. If we have, someone comment below, let me know. Sorry if it's a repeat, but there's also been a lot of subscribers probably then since I last did it a few years ago. So here's the straight piped M3 video. Here it is. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead, jump under this thing, and well, go ahead and swap the exhaust. All right, exhaust is out. We just swapped the O2s over to it. Obviously, y'all can see it's a little bit skinnier than the other one, which, excuse me, now right on here. So allow us to be nice and loud again. Here we go. But Alex just throwing that thing. Whoops. Oh, the exposure's terrible under the car. And now I can crawl back under there and reinstall.
A few moments later.
Everything's back in the car, good to go. Now what we gotta do is get it back on the ground. Basically on the ground, I'd have to start it to, you know, roll it back here. But as a interruption, Drew showed up with this whole setup. What up, Drew?
What up, what up?
What do we got here, man?
Lovely machine.
Lovely machine. So
greatest thing ever.
yeah, it came with the soup over here. But Jesus Christ. So his boss is actually upgrading at the shop, and I am taking the old tire machine. So she's used. Andrew's done at least 3 tires on it.
3,000, yeah. You got the teeth crawling on it, dude.
But hey, all we care about is that it works. And cool.
He's gonna figure that out.
I'm gonna figure that out. So shout out to John for hooking it up. But now we need to get it off of the trailer, which is the hard part, and into the garage, because I don't know if y'all know, but it ain't light. So it's problem number 1. Let's start it.
Oh, we've been killing. That's up.
The duct tape.
Dude, my trailer light.
The duct tape, man. Oh, what is this? A fucking license plate? Hold on.
Just watch your foot. I'm gonna lift. Yeah. All right, well, just like that, I wanted friends, so we got a tire machine. Now I'm just missing the lift for all the rest of the friends, right, boys? Oh, hey, 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 hey! Take it easy.
Sorry, dude.
Throwing caps around. I mean,
You're gonna break your fucking bottle.
oh boy. Oh, dude.
I'll clean it up. I did it before.
That was the most disastrous.
This has been a terrible clip.
I did it.
Anyways, there's a tire machine now. We're gonna assemble it because it's in pieces, and maybe it works. Well, it should work. It worked when it left your shop. It's a matter of if we can make it work.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're actually, before we assemble that thing, because we want to use the side with more light, gonna get our first start here with the good old straight piped M3.
Money clip, dude. I don't know how to turn it off.
Alright, little update going down here. We got the big arm that pushes down on the things with the duckbill on it, whatever you want to call it, and then we got the extension arms now coming on. So we're running the airlines, getting it all tidied up, but theoretically we'll be up and running here soon. Allegedly, right, Andrew?
I think.
Captain, my captain. Hey man.
If we cross-thread enough bolts, it'll work. It'll be good.
Please no. Alright, compressor's on, it's loud. Plugged it in, maybe. We're having some hose leakage. How does this thing work? Oh, alright, we got something.
Alright, got a table.
Seems like it just needs to like auto bleed itself is what was happening. We're gonna let the compressor fill up with air, but looks good. All right, well, it is 10:30 at night. Andrew and Alex just left. We spent even more time trying to figure out this thing with no luck. So I don't know why, but we can't figure out how to make it work. So that's not great, but that wasn't the point of this video. The point of this video, straight pipe to the M3. With that said, we're gonna go do driving clips and whatnot. But as I mentioned, it is 10:30 at night. So we're gonna fast forward to tomorrow, and you guys get to hear it. See you then. Alrighty. Good morning all. It's next day. We are getting going. And I told y'all I owed you some sound clips. So before we get to driving, start with a nice cold start again. It's good, it's loud. Let's hit the road. Far out here in the middle of the woods. I figured I'll give y'all a quick rev test because I know y'all want to hear that. It's good stuff. It's loud. It's definitely loud. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, get down to my apartment, and yeah,